So we are going to ask you a few questions and you have to tell the first thing that comes to your mind. So I'll start.
The first thing that comes to my mind is the door is that way.
So I'll start with rapid fire round. Tollywood or Indian film? Tollywood or Indian film?
First of all, I hate the word. Did you say Tollywood?
Yeah.
Tollywood?
Yeah.
I hate the word called Tollywood. So you say Telugu film industry, you say Hindi film industry, you say Hindi film industry. So don't say Tollywood. Okay. Question?
Bahubali or Magdira?
Pardon?
Bahubali or Magdira?
Bahubali.
Tarak or Prabhas? Tarak or Prabhas?
That's quite difficult, but I would say Prabhas at the moment because I'm in the middle of Bahubali.
100 crore
But
movie.
as a friend, it is Tarak.
100 crore movie or national award? 100 crore movie or national award?
I'm not able to.
100 crore movie or national award?
100 crore, both of them doesn't excite me.
Trivikram or Sukumar?
Sukumar.
So I'll ask you about your choices about movies, heroes, heroines. That's small questions. So I'll start with, which is your favorite movie and why you like it?
Bahubali, you're talking about my films?
Yeah.
Yeah, Maryada Ramana is my favorite film.
I say in general also. From
Maya Bazaar, like I was saying, and Braveheart.
your favorite hero and why you like him?
Bruce Lee, like I was saying before, Bruce Lee because he had such intensity in him that I have never seen before. Telugu it is Tarak. I like Tarak more.
Your favorite heroine and why? Favorite heroine and why?
My favorite heroine is Anushka because I haven't seen that kind of commitment from any actor or actress. She's the ultimate in commitment and dedication. She's the best.
Sir, what are your hobbies? Apart from your profession, what are your hobbies? What you like to do?
I like reading. I like traveling. I like playing games. I mean, not this kind of games. I'm literally talking about volleyball or cricket. That's what I like.
Sir, you follow mythology. So who is your favorite character in Ramayana and Mahabharata?
Karna. Karna is my favorite.
What is the most interesting place in the world according to you? As you shoot, you go around. So, which is the...
My home is my favorite place.
So now we have questions about your future work. So we have a question from Sai Sujan. Do you plan on doing science fiction movies in future?
Science fiction at present in my list of films, list of stories that I want to make, science fiction is not there. I want to work more on mythology movies. I want to work more on historical movies like Sri Krishna Deva Raya, Rana Pratap, Shivaji. I want to work on historical kings and that. At present, I don't have anything in my mind regarding science fiction.
So can you shed more light on what big projects you have in mind after Bahubali? Some insights.
Yeah, Garuda is there in my mind, but I will... sorry, at present I cannot reveal any more details about it, but Garuda is there on my mind.
Do you plan to do any movie with superstar Rajinikanth in the future?
You ask this question to any director in the South Indian film industry, and their answer would be the same.
What kind of role you will give him, as in what kind of movie you want to make with him?
I don't know what kind of role I would make with him, but if I make a film with him, at least for 10 days, no one should hear what is the dialogue in the theater. The people should be shouting from beginning to end.
Do you plan to enter into some stage in Hollywood, as in?
Recently, I have been to US, and I have observed the kind of work culture they have. I respect that, but it is entirely different from the way that I grew up learning and making films. It is entirely different. So I don't think I can fit into that kind of making films. So I think I'll be making Indian films only.
Thank you, sir. We have a question from Venu Gopal. When can we expect your dream project, Great Epic Mahabharata? And how many sequels, or what are your plans in making of this great dream project?
I think I'll need at least 10 years of experience to start making Mahabharata, and it will be a minimum of 4 parts to make the entire.
So you already told about Garuda, which is a big budget movie which is coming with Mohanlal. So
Mohanlal, did I say I was making with Mohanlal?
So there are rumors about it. So is it true?
There will be. Mohanlal is one of the fantastic actors of India. I would love to work with him, but I haven't even developed the script of Garuda, so I don't know about the casting at this moment.
So we'll have concluding questions now. So in spite of all the successes you have achieved, you are incredibly humble. As in, I was with you before and I found you very humble. So I doubt that any other eminent film personality would have taken the efforts to come down all the way from Hyderabad to spend the evening with us. So what keeps you so grounded? What keeps you driving to interact with students, have that much energy always?
I'll tell you a secret. I'm a very good actor. So don't believe my humbleness. I'm a very big egotist at the heart. So don't believe all that. What makes me interact with the students is actually most of the time I look forward to this question and answers. So I would be eagerly looking forward for a question that will challenge me, not on stage, but when I go back, I would ponder on the questions that were asked by the students. When the questions come from the youngsters, most of the time they try to pick up a subject that I haven't thought of before. So why I come and address people is for my own betterment of thinking. It's not to give you anything, it is for myself.